Hello, ma'am and sir. Good day. I am Glenda Misantillan, 43 years old. I live in Matina Playa, Davao City. I am high school graduate and married. I have three children, one boy aged 26 years old and two girls aged 20 and 14 years old. My husband occupation is a fisherman. I have 4 years experience in Singapore from 2019 to 2023 of three members of the family, including the dementia patient. Their type of house is condo. In charge of my main duties is in taking care of the dementia, in charge of their basic needs of patient involving the changing diaper, hygiene, and meal preparation. I do also household chores for the three members of the family, including cooking, deep cleaning, ironing, and washing the two cars every week. I can cook dishes of Chinese food. I also have 2 months experience by taking care of autism. Um, in my third employer, I have an experience for being the nanny of two children. My main duties is to taking care of the children, including by preparing their school uniforms, sending them to the school, uh, send and fetch them to their school, and then I do also cooking, deep cleaning, ironing, and washing the clothes. For my employer, if given by a chance to choose me, I will do my best, my very very best to help this family. Um, I also respect their rules, follow their rules at the house, and as in my employer, in my new employer, if you choose in me, I will help you to assist in everything. I can also run errands in any places without giving them any problems. I can do also attending the in any uh, of what of my employer um, ask me to do. I will give my best, and for my new employer, I will take care of this family and love this family. For my new employer, um, thank you and God bless you. Thank you.